Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.
There we go. What's up, guys? Mr. Fit to Flourish, and today I wanted to talk about how CC made $90K in 1 week trading with our Discord, and how everyone in the Discord is making money, and the process, pretty much a three-step process to get there, right? And what you can do to do the same thing. All right, you don't have to join the Discord, but right now we are running a free 3-day trial. In link for the Discord in the description below. So I just wanted to show. So she had posted this week, so her account is up 121% just the past week. We've really been honing in on this strategy that I'm sharing on the channel, and I'm doing the $500 account challenge as well, just to kind of show you don't need 70K to make 89K. You could make 150K from $500, but it's not going to happen overnight. Okay. And Cece knows that it's not going to happen overnight because she's been with our team for quite a while, and it wasn't just peaches and roses in the beginning, but as a trader, she has all of the qualities that are required to become a great trader. Okay. So what are those qualities, and what are the qualities that you would need to make 90K in a week? Okay. So I kind of want to go over that today. And then at the end of this video, I'll share the strategy that we're doing. Okay. So number one, she remains positive all the time. So she approached the group with just positivity. She's always very happy, always optimistic, no matter what. In the beginning, she was taking L's just like everybody else when you first start trading. But guess what? I remember she said, hey, my L's are a lot smaller than what they used to be when I used to trade on my own. Okay. And why is that? Not only does she remain positive, but it's because she was willing to learn and a good student, very good student. Okay. She showed up to all the lives. When we put on master classes on the weekends, she showed up to the master classes. And not only that, she asked questions. And I remember she was like, I hope I'm not bothering you. Boom, question. Hope I'm not bothering you. Boom, question. And at first I was like, dang, these are a lot of questions. But then I was like, these are really good questions. And all that engagement shows that she was very willing to learn. Okay. So did she think she was going to ever make 90K in a week? In this short period of the time, it's been like probably 9 months, I believe. 9 months, maybe a year since she's joined, and just been putting her head down, keeping it down. And now she's making more money in a week than most people make on their job. Okay. Yeah. So, a lot of people don't even see 50K in a year. She made 90K in a week. Okay. But yeah, she asked questions. Okay. She asked questions, and guess what? She was patient. Okay, because there were a couple weeks where it was like, dang, I just took this 6K L, or dang, I just took a 2K L this week. And I remember she was like, but it's okay. Why? Because she remained positive and she was learning. Okay, and she knew it was a process. She was patient. She understood what that process looked like, because we were consistently showing, hey, to get to a level of like fit to flourish, or to K5. And we have some guys who've traded on Wall Street in the group as well. To get to those levels, it takes a very long time. Like I haven't been trading consistently for 5 years. I've been understanding trading and things for 5 years, but for the last 2 years, every single day, I've been reading, diving in, practicing for hours on end. So to get to that level, it's gonna take patience. Okay. But with the Discord, what we're doing is we fast track you. We'll shortcut you to get there. Right. But she's patient. All right. And then she is not desperate. Okay. And this is a quality that 99% of traders have, is being desperate, but she's not desperate. Okay, 99% of people are desperate. And what does that mean? They're trading because they need money. Okay, not because they want some extra money, because they need it. Okay, and once you need something and you're chasing something, that means that something is running away from you. Okay, so inevitably you're not going to get it. Okay, it's going to keep running away from you. If you're desperate and you're trading, you're going to keep losing. You're going to say that every Discord is a scam, which a lot of them are pretty trash. I'm not gonna lie, but and you're going to say trading is fake. You're not going to believe it. You won't think it's It's able to be done. And as soon as you think that something cannot be done, then it can't be done. If you think something can be done, then it can be done. And that's just pretty much the paradox of the way that life works. Whatever you believe is what is going to appear in this 3D reality. If you don't think it's possible, it's not. If you think it is, it is. Okay, that's just how life works. But you cannot be trading, and you cannot be desperate. Okay, she's not desperate at all. She's like, oh, I don't need this money. I have other avenues where I can make money. But understanding how to trade here is like her mindset is, I understand that this is a gem. This is amazing because I can fast track my wealth this way if I just learn. And this is a skill you need to understand. She understands that this is not get rich quick scheme. Okay, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, trading is a skill that once you develop this is crazy. It's like fishing. Okay, you can ask a guy, hey, I'll pay you for some fish, okay? Or can you bring me some fish? Hey, that guy goes to fish. He keeps bringing you fish to eat every day. One day, that guy gets killed. He's dead. Okay. Now you have nothing to eat for the rest of your life. So that skill, if you would just have taken a couple days to learn how to fish from the guy instead of making him get the fish for you, you would be able to eat for the rest of your life and then feed your family. So this is the same way trading is. Trading is a skill that you develop. And it's not like it doesn't have to be developed in a week or 2 months or 3 months or 3 years. If it takes you 5 years, 10 years, who cares? Because at the end of the day, you have 30, 40, 50, 60 years where you can be using this skill to create life-changing effects, okay? And then also teach that to your kids or your kids' kids. So this is a skill that once you develop, it can't be taken away. It can't be taken away. Okay, so these are pretty much all of the, and she's consistent. So these are all the qualities that it takes to be a really good trader. Okay, and that's how did she make that in a week? Well, she's following our Discord. Okay, and what does the Discord look like? I kind of did want to show that. So we have lives. Every morning we go live 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to trade. We usually stay on till about like 1 p.m. Sometimes we'll stay on the entire trading day, just depending on the day. And then at nighttime we go live from 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to about like 11:30 Eastern Standard Time, reviewing charts and things of that nature. Every Sunday 11 a.m. we have what's called Stocks and Coffee, where we talk about the upcoming week and the markets. And then we have a welcome tab where we welcome everyone. We tell you how to navigate meeting the leaders, which is myself and K5. And then there's a lot of people trying to scam people with fake accounts. So we have our verified accounts on here, like our Instagram, YouTube, etc. And then there's affiliate stuff. We have our watch list that we do every day of stocks to watch. And then also I put options that you might want to be getting. We talk about news. We talk about announcements and things we're going to do. And then we have an elite plays section, which is what most people go to Discord for. Most people go to Discord for call outs. So we do call outs, but we take pride in teaching people how to trade. Again, we want to teach you how to fish instead of you coming to us for the fish all the time. So yeah, how did CC make this 89K? Let's talk about the strategies, really. Let's talk about these strategies. So if you watch the YouTube videos, we talk about using, we use what's called the volume RSI. We use moving averages. And then sometimes we'll use an ATR, an average true range. Okay. All we're looking for when we're trading is we're trying to see if we're breaking above a high or breaking below a low. Okay. So here's a low here. This is a double bottom. Double bottoms usually are signs of a reversal. So if we broke below that, if we had a bar close below that, then we're probably going to continue lower. But double bottoms create something here called the neckline. This is a neckline. So if we get above that, if we close above this candle, we're probably going to go way, way higher. Okay. So we broke above that on this candle. We're probably going to go higher. What else tells me we're looking for evidence? Okay. We're collecting evidence. What else is telling me we're going to go higher? We have moving averages crossing. So this is called the 9 moving average crossing the 20 moving average. 9 EMA crossing the 20 EMA. That shows the market structure shift. Price is going to go up. Also, the volume RSI was really big, which shows that the market's currently bullish. So we're just collecting evidence that we're going to get an upside move. And that's how we got this play here. Now for downside moves, all we're doing is collecting evidence that it's going to go down. There's only two ways the market can go. It can go up or it can go down. So stop complicating trading and stop looking into all this extra stuff. It's literally just up or down. And then there is news going on right now. You have to understand what news moves the market. So tariffs, economic data, CPI, PPI, PCE, initial jobless claims, and then understand what when the Fed does something, it's gonna make the market go up or make the market go down. Even if you don't know what those things are, like PCE, PPI, CPI, even if you don't know what they are, once they come out, you'll start to see the market move in a direction. And you need to understand that you need to be trading with the trend. So if the market starts to move down because PPI or CPI or economic data, start to trade down. If tariffs cause the market to start falling, start to trade down. If Trump says, "Oh, no tariffs," market starts to move up. Start to trade up. The market only goes one of two ways: up or down. And that's what we kind of teach you. Just keep it simple, keep a simple process. The more crazy stuff you try to put into trading or learn, like if you try to do an ICT, SMC, double gap follow through, like if you do these weird things, you're gonna start losing a lot more because you're gonna be very confused. The market goes up or it goes down. Go with the trend, and you'll be good. Anyways, it's your boy, Mr. Fit to Flourish. We're still doing that free 3-day trial for the Discord. Link below. Check us out. And as usual, continue to win. Let's keep winning. And let's keep killing it.